All right, guys, so we pulled up a large screen TV. What's going on, guys?
Hello.
We got a pretty interesting video for you all today. We are in Hopkinsville, Kentucky.
Hop town.
Hop town? And we got this river that flows all through town here. There's several bridges on it. You can see one out behind us there. There's one right here behind the camera. And there's also like a crap ton of other ones over this. But we're going to be actually going through this whole river today, or most of it. Not totally, but most of it. And we're going to be magnet fishing and looking for crap and all that good stuff. But we think there's a lot of high potential to find something good here. There is not like a super high crime rate in this town, but there is a little bit elevated, so we're hopeful that we're going to find something.
Good or bad?
Good or bad. But we're going to jump down here and we're going to magnet fish, see what we can find, guys.
See you out there.
Here we go. We're going magnet fishing down there. But we got to walk across this bridge. Here we go. Walking down the trail. Oh, dude, there's like a bag right there. There's a backpack. Dude.
Bag?
Yeah. It's right down there. Might have to get the hook out to get it. It's in the current. See it down there? I do not see it. It's right there.
It's like the light.
Alright, guys, so we're going to be magnet fishing here. The first thing I spotted in the water, because it's very clear, is actually looks like a bag or a backpack of some sort.
Alright, guys, so.
Every time. So I'm going to lower the hook down there, actually, and see if I can grab that. We might as well start off strong, right? Okay, I'm going to get this hook on there. We're going to try to grab that bag. Alright, here we go. Oh. Now I moved into the dark area where I can't see. I got it. Oh, dang it, Jordan. Can't get it.
Do it.
No, the thread's ripping. Jordan, help. I need help.
How do I?
Hold this. Do not pull, though. Do not pull, just hold it. Okay. I got it.
Well.
Got it. There's does not appear to be anything actually in it, though, sadly. That's unfortunate. It looks like an old rucksack, though. Yeah, look at this. Huh. Nothing in it, though. Hey, you got something.
Can, top of a can.
Looks like it. Cool. I think I see something over here I might try to go for, but I see a couple things I can get over here, actually, I think. Maybe. I want this. I want the 4H thingy. Alright. Found a 4H little thing. It's got a little name tag on it. I'm gonna cover that up, but interesting.
Where?
Like, go, crap, the ripples are making this hard to see. Let's go like straight that way. Look, go out far enough. Yeah, that's good. Now drag right across here. Maybe that's not metal. I think you drove across. Oh no, I think you grabbed it. You did grab it. Haha. I knew it looked like it was metal. Nice. There you go. I thought it looked like it was metal. I don't know what it is, but just a piece of metal. Oh. Whee!
Look how nasty.
Ew. Gross. I don't think I'm magnetized to this. I think it's a piece of pipe. I got it though. It is a piece of pipe. And I was not magnetized to that, but I pulled it up. Bro.
Yeah, that's that though.
Come on, bud. You can do it. There we go. I think it's a bike tire, yeah. Yeah, it's a bike tire. It's like a whole bike tire too. It does have the metal part in it.
Wow. Well, look at there.
Well, look at there, it's a bike tire. That's kind of cool. So yeah, something like that. Bike tire. Oh my god, I can't budget. Oh, I got it.
That is a tire.
That is definitely a tire.
That big nasty thing.
I think a fish just jumped out of it. Ew.
Oh, big nasty.
Big old nasty tire. Oh well.
Clean up the river.
Clean up the river, that's what counts, right? Cool. Oh. Yeah. Ew. Gross. Alright guys, so we pulled up a large screen TV. So here's the bad part. So apparently my camera was not on the entire time we were pulling this up. Jordan did got a little bit of footage of it, but he was over. Yeah, Jordan was actually over in another spot magnet fishing, and I had to call him over to help. So we got the tail end of Jordan's footage of it, but it was definitely a huge haul. One of our best finds yet. I mean, it's a large screen TV. It was extremely heavy. We had to use the hook to get it. But this is a little bit what it looks like here. So pretty cool. But this is a really, really neat find. But pretty awesome. Took definitely a team effort. But sorry that we didn't get the full footage of it. I did not realize my camera was not on. I saw it, I hit the button. Go me. But pretty awesome find regardless. But yeah, awesome. Alright guys, so we actually just got done magnet fishing, but there's also a geocache right over here that we're going to find as well. I'm gonna have Jordan find it for us.
Yeah, so we're doing this cache. It's called Bridge to Justice. We're on a bridge, and right over there is a jail. We said on magnet fishing, but we're gonna hop into this geocache. We know it's like right over here.
Yes.
But I believe it is over this way.
Yeah. Let's go find it. I don't have a pen or pencil though.
Alright, it's probably somewhere over here.
Yeah.
Right there it is.
Find it? Yeah. That was easy.
Key box.
Is there a pencil in there by chance? No.
There's not.
Dang it. There's mine.
Some quarters. Nickels.
Alright, well, we found it. I'll have to go get a pen out of my truck, but we'll come
sign
back
it, yep.
and do it here in a minute. So, alright, cool. That was easy find. I went and grabbed a pin since we forgot to pin the first time. Amateur mistake here. But amateurs, Jordan. Every one of us. So.
I don't want the money.
You don't want the money.
KY Outdoorsman.
Hey, look at there. I don't know who you are, but cool name. Woohoo! Hey! Nice.
I was 3 years old. Oh,
Close out, Jordan.
So, we found that cache. Travis went and got a pin for us so we could sign a log. But yeah, we're finishing up magnet fishing. Gonna go do some more caches. So make sure you're liking these videos. Drop some comments. Let us know what you think. And please subscribe so you can see our future videos going forward. So that's all for today. Until next time, guys, we'll catch you later.